This is our second lesson in our series of lessons on the present habitual tense. Just to recap what we did in our first lesson, we said that the present habitual tense tells us that something is a habit. It is done often. So it is done daily, which means every day, every morning, on Sundays, every night, on evenings, on weekends, every holiday. Once something is a habit and it's being done often, we say it is in the present habitual tense. I'm sure you all would remember in our last lesson, we learned about using I with the present habitual tense. Every day, I eat my lunch. Every day means it is a habit. I sing in church on Sundays. Right? I sing on Sundays, it is a habit. And remember we said that when we are writing about ourselves in the present habitual tense, we do not add any letter to the verb. So we say I eat, I sing, right? I dance, I jump, I play, I read, I draw. We do not add any other letter to the verb when you are using I in the present habitual tense. So let us continue with today's lesson. Here we have you wake up late every day. So the boy is telling a girl, it could be his sister, right? He's telling his sister, you wake up late every day. So the verb is wake and we did not add any other letter to the verb. So it is just like when you are using I. When you are using you also do not add any other letter to the verb. You wake up late every day, and every day tells us it is a habit. Here we have another sentence written in the present habitual tense. You eat oats every morning. So the boy is telling someone, you eat oats. So the verb is eat, and we did not add any other letter to the verb. Every morning tells us it is a habit. It is done regularly. You play football every Sunday. So the boy is talking to another boy and he's saying, you play football every Sunday. The verb is play, and Sunday, every Sunday, it tells us that it is a habit. So this sentence is written in the present habitual tense. So we don't say you plays, we say you play. So just as with I, you do not add any other letter to the verb. You walk your dog daily. So the verb is walk. And daily, remember in our last lesson, I said daily means every day. You walk your dog daily, meaning it is a habit. Did we add any letter to the verb? No. We leave the verb as it is. You walk your dog daily. So let us recap what we just did. When you are using the word you in the present habitual tense, we do not add ing or any other letter to the verb. Every night you say your prayers. We have every night you saying your prayers. Every night you says your prayers. Which is correct? Every night you say your prayers. We do not say every night you saying your prayers, and we do not say every night you says your prayers. So remember the verb, we do not add any other letter to the verb. Every night you say your prayers. Here we have some sentences. You talk in class all day. You talks in class all day. Which is the correct sentence? Yes, you talk in class all day. We do not say you talks. Remember, the verb in the present habitual tense, when you are using you, we do not add any other letter to the verb. Only meaning it's a habit. All right? You visit the beach every weekend. You visit the beach every weekend. So the correct answer is you visit the beach every weekend. Every weekend meaning it is a habit. We do not say you visit the beach. So as you would see again, we did not add any other letter to the verb. You visit. So I have come to the end of my lesson. You could review the slides one more time, and then there is an activity in the classroom which you will complete and submit.